Are you looking for the best gold metal detectors? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best gold metal detectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Minelab Gold Monster 1000. The Minelab Gold Monster 100 is the best VLF gold metal detector that has a fully automatic operation and extra sensitive performance. It uses a 45 kHz frequency to find gold nuggets that are small and large. The 24-bit signal processor can go deep into the ground to find you larger pieces of gold, but also functions to find the smaller nuggets close to the surface. This unique sensitivity makes this a great choice for gold hunters who aren't picky, but just want to get their hands on any gold they can find. A ferrous and non-ferrous discrimination is built to cope with conductive soils, which will maximize your intake of gold. With all digital electronics, it features an easy quick start, so you don't have to waste time setting up to find gold. With an automatic ground balancer and sensitivity, the fully automatic system makes hunting for gold easy and frustration-free, which is ideal for beginners who are just trying to get into the hobby of searching for gold. Number 2. Fisher Gold Bug 2 Gold Elliptical Search Coil. For finding the tiniest gold nuggets, the Fisher Gold Bug 2 metal detector is the best choice because it is highly sensitive with a 71 kHz operating frequency. This extraordinary sensitivity makes this the best precision metal detector for gold that comes packed full of additional features to help you get rich. The Gold Bug 2 also features an iron discrimination, which eliminates you from digging up unwanted trash, and an additional iron disc mode ensures you can differentiate between iron junk items and gold. With a dust and moisture resistant body, you can take this gold detector anywhere without worrying about damage. An audio boost features ensures that this will operate in any type of soil, and with 3 mineralization modes, you can make all the adjustments you need. For extra portability, this is a lightweight design that can be hip mounted, which makes it the ideal choice for gold hunters who like rugged terrain. Number 3. Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker. Discover lost treasure with the best ground balancing gold metal detector. The Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker gold metal detector eliminates the struggle of ground balancing and makes it easy with their automatic ground track, which will adjust for mineralization while you are detecting gold in all types of soil. It was built for extreme ground conditions like salty soil and wet beaches with an 8-inch waterproof search coil. Operating with a 6.6 kHz, this gold detector is ideal for finding coin-sized targets up to 8 inches deep or larger targets up to 2 feet deep. It can detect all types of metals including gold, silver, brass, aluminum, iron, and steel. With 3 modes of operation and 2-tone audio discrimination, it is an easy-to-use detector that is great for beginner and intermediate gold hunters. The all-metal mode and disc/notch controls will have you easily distinguishing between targets and unwanted metals, which means you'll be more likely to find treasure than trash. With a high performance, this gold detector is perfect for the hobby gold hunters who are just looking for a fun time outside. Number 4. Garrett Metal Detector. For the gold hunters who are looking for more than just gold, the Garrett Gold Metal Detector will find coins, jewelry, and relics. Plus, you can use it in freshwater hunting, which makes it the best waterproof gold metal detector up to 3 meters deep. This gold detector uses an 18 kHz frequency for enhanced detection of small gold nuggets, and it is great for organized hunts with groups of gold hunting friends who love to share the adventure together. Number 5. Garrett Military Grade. If you want to search deeper, the Garrett Military Grade Gold Metal Detector is the best pulse induction gold metal detector. It has a 12-inch DD coil that makes it powerful for ground penetration and offers maximum detection on all targets. You won't have to switch modes or coils to find small pieces of gold, which mean you aren't wasting time in your hunt. The pulse induction makes it sensitive and suitable for all terrains and extreme conditions, so you can trek anywhere in search of treasure.